Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the monthly time frame chart of BTC USDT. BTC broke this high to 126,199. This was the previous high, all-time high, and it was broken exactly in this month in these 10 or 11 days. But after breaking this to the high, the market has come very sharply to retest this support. When the high has been broken, why would the market come down? It is the deep retest. Now we could argue that here it was also when all-time high was broken to the upward, still the market came downward to retest this monthly zone. There is a difference here. This was the gradual downward move and gradual retest, but this is not the case here. This is the upward and movement. It broke to the high and then a very sharp retest of this level. So it is high probability that the market will break this high. Now it won't come down too much, and it is expected either in this month or in the next month this level will also be broken to the upward, and BT is looking for 150 or 175. I don't know where the market is going, but it is high probability that the market is looking for a new good high, all-time high that will be about 150, 175. It is expected from this sharp downward retest. So it is expected. Now one more thing, if the market comes down and break this downward, then it is high probability that market would come to 64,000. So these are the two probabilities. But now let us move to the shorter time frames and analyze it there on the weekly time frame. Now this is the week. What a week is. Same week which went for all-time high and has come here to this weekly support. In the case earlier moves, now let us see. This high was broken after many weeks and the market remained, no, this is the situation here. It went above this and for 3 weeks it straightforward came down, but here it is the same week and the previous time when it was broken to the high, it remained there for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. First, what was broken here and came down. Then second, third, fourth week it went up. Then gradually, after this breaking to the high of the high, then for 3 weeks it came down. So gradually it came down. This is a sharp move right on the weekly time frame. This is the same week, even though high was broken in the previous week, not in this week. But let us compare both the moves. Here it was broken and again it was broken in the third week. First, this was the week when high was broken. Second, third, first, second, and third week it was broken. And here in the next week, first it broke to the up. So I was broken to the upward, and the same week broke to the upward and now retested the support here. So what do we expect now? Now let us move to the other shorter time frames. Now this is the daily time. Where did it open? This is the daily time. Now on the daily time frame, this was resistance here, support here. So this looks a nice strong support, and this is upward push. So I think I am still bullish. Retest has been done and the market is expected. Now this is a range, high range day, high of the day. This was high of the day and the low of the day. There is a high range. So market sometimes increases a range for going upward. If it has to go up, first it increases its range to the downward, then go upward. So I am still bullish on BTC, though this is the time when retail traders have lost their money, have lost their accounts. So the good time for the spot entry, they have lost all this. But if you have the some money to invest in, you have the investment, and you could buy either in this or in Cardano. You could buy this in spot. So this is the daily time frame, and now we are moving to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, this level which was looking quite nice was broken, but there is a wick, and here it is making a new support and preparing for upward move. I think here is my analysis. Anything can happen in the market. Who could imagine that in the just 7 minutes of the last, it means in the last 7 minutes, the when the gold market was closed, and this was the last, in most of the platforms it was the last hour of the day. Yes, this was the last hour of the day, and market went, and in that day, just in 7 minutes or 13 or 15 minutes, let us see how many minutes were there. This is the 15 minutes time frame. The way the market came down, 1 2 3 45 minutes, the market fall heavily. In those 45 minutes, how many minutes? Let us watch this on the 1 minute time frame. What happened there? Now, this how many minutes originally there were that thrown the market to the downward. Let us see here. Now, these were the minutes when the market was thrown in the last hour, an odd hour of the market. So, if you have survived, you have some investments, it is better to buy some crypto, either BTC or Cardano or any other in the spot. So now once again, let us move to the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame here. Now this is the monthly setup, and the market is expected to go up. And for gold, I consider that it has completed its all-time high. So it is expected that gold will be sold next week, though that has also broken to the high. But the previous month was very high range. So still we can't say, and this is not the analysis for gold. This is for BTC and other cryptocurrencies. It is better to buy in spot right now. Like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.